Looking for this level in the G period right here. See if it pushes right through here. Right there. We ended up with exactly what we wanted there, the 401. I was just looking at this cliff, this how the volume profile kind of, there's a ledge here and starts to go away. You got the F period high up here. I would target this value area low and possibly this overnight low. But you might end up having to take one, just at the bottom of this rotation. I'd probably take one right there at 250. And then we'll leave one down towards the overnight low, just in case. If you enjoy these videos, do me a favor and hit that like button and subscribe if you want to see future videos of how I trade market profile and volume profile. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comments below. You can see we're kind of stuck in this node. So you want to, this obviously this would have been better. Just wasn't sure, how high this was going to go. Up here would be great. Right now the stop's up here at 425. Really don't want to see this go above F period. Like I said, in here might be a spot that you would add a little bit more. You get down to this halfback with the next time period and you can't break it, then you probably want to close the trade. The way I look at this is E period got up here and they hit this. This is the weekly value area high right here. And then F couldn't even break D. It couldn't even get close to E or even that value high again. And then G is getting even less. So I feel like, whoever's buying here is getting less and less for their effort. And eventually this will roll over and we might need to take something in here, but this is our target. And this would be the obvious target would be the value area low. And then you'd have the overnight low down here and the value area again from the 8th. This would be the next area that I was looking at. If I was going to add some, it would be basically in this area. Came right to that area. You want to watch this area, I would say from half back down. You may need to take one in here if it starts to stall out. There's your H period. You can see how it's just kind of a stepping stone down. They're getting a little bit less, a little bit less. You don't really want to see this H break the G. If you enjoy these videos, do me a favor and hit that like button and subscribe if you want to see future videos of how I trade market profile and volume profile. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comments below. Let's see what H period does down here. If it starts to bounce off this, then I'll know we're just you're going to keep ranging here. So I'll close one. You'll see in just a few seconds that this is going to flush through here almost right to my target. When I get that situation, I almost always take it when you get close to the target, just because it can take it away just as quickly as it can give it to you. And I wasn't looking for it to extend lower. There we go. She's really moving. That took us out of everything there. So you can see how this was just stepping down, stepping down. They're buying it here and they're getting a little bit less and a little bit less. And then it just fell off. And obviously we could have looked at it down here. So I ended up getting 33 ticks on that first set and then 34 on the second set. But again, I wouldn't be looking for more, than this. This would be my target here. Even though you had that big flush. there's a good chance they're gonna, buy this back. You'll get a chance to get in, or they're gonna develop just like they did here and try to push this back the other way.